Hello kids, good morning. How are you all kids? Hope you all are fine and healthy at your place. So kids, today in this session we'll discuss about the things in our surrounding. Yes, when we move out of our house kids, what are the things we observe there? Yes, there are so many things that we observe in our surrounding like buildings, plants, trees, schools, banks, etc. But kids, now in this pandemic situation of COVID-19, we won't be able to move out of our house for any reason, right? Yes. So kids, now quickly tell me what are the things which we have added in our daily routine because of this COVID-19? Yes, we have added to drink warm water on daily basis. And one more thing is there, that is tulsi. You know kids, tulsi is a kind of plant which is having some medicinal properties, and these type of plants who's having these medicinal properties are to be known as what? Think we have already discussed about these type of plants in our grade 2. Yes, these type of plants are known as herbs. So kids, what is herbs now? Yes, herbs are the types of plants. Very good. So kids, today we'll discuss about different types of plants in our surrounding. For that, let's just have a look to the video. Now let's discuss about different types of plants. So kids, we observe so many plants, trees around us. You know, these plants and trees grow in different places and live for different periods of time, as we all do. Kids, now observe it. What is this? Yes, a tree. You know, a big and strong plants always called as tree. These trees do have long and strong woody stem. This woody and strong stem is called as trunk. You can observe it. This tree live for so many years. Now let's have a look to next category, that is shrubs. Kids, observe these beautiful shrubs. These are small but strong plants, as you can observe in the picture itself, kids. You know, kids, they have woody stem, and you know, some of them are bushy too. So now let's move to the next category. Yes, that is herbs. So kids, these herbs are very beneficial for us. These are small and weak plants, kids. We use these plants as medicines too. These plants are used in our daily cuisine too. Yes, herbs are weak and they don't grow very high. These plants even do not live for long. I found it very interesting to get to know about all these types. Now next type is climbers. Kids, these are the type of plants having weak stem, and they cannot grow straight on their own. They always need support of walls, sticks or others plant too. So these type of plants are known as climbers. As you can observe in the picture also. Have a look to different types of climbers, kids. Here we have creepers. Creepers are the type of plant having weak stem and they grow along the ground only. So kids, I hope the concept is clear to you all. Now let's begin with an activity. Before starting this activity, let me instruct you how you have to follow this activity. Kids, you have to observe the picture carefully and then you have to guess the type of plants. Let's do an activity now, kids. Who am I? I am mint and small and delicated plants, mostly used in all cuisine. Who am I? Yes, herbs. Now next one is, I am night jasmine plant having woody stem but don't grow long. I am shrubs. Next is, I am money plant used to climb with the support of wall or stick. Who am I? Climber. Yes, very nice. Next is, I am having long woody and hard trunk. I am known as, very good, tree. Now the next one is, I am beautiful pumpkin plant used to grow along to the ground. Because of heavy food and weak stem, I am creepers. Very nice, kids. You all have done correctly. That's all for today, kids. Now you all have to complete your home assignment and share it with me. Bye bye, kids. Take care.